Have you ever been shot? Have you ever been stabbed? Or have you ever been kicked in the face? From the creators of Invincipills,
Hey!
now comes Invincipills! The amazing pills that make you invincible to anything. The pill that you've dreamed about for years is now finally here. Just get the pills, pop them open, and take a few. Now you won't get hurt from gunshots. Ta-da! Getting stabbed. Or even getting kicked in the face. A $750,000 value, yours for only 2 easy payments of $19.95. Call now, and you will receive a second bottle of Invincipills, yours free! This product is not sold in stores and never will be, so you should call now. Product has never been tested on anything or anyone. It's not proven to work. Side effects may include constipation, shrinking, certain body parts not working when needed, AIDS, explosion of appendix, and a small creature creating hope when it's in your intestine. We are not liable for any accidents occurred when using Invincipills. There are no refunds on this product. You must be 18 or older to call.